Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are back with another unbiased review on the store handlestore.com. So if you are curious to know about this store, watch the video till the end, as people from United States are very curious to know about the legitimacy of this store. So let's check out the details. Handless Store is an e-commerce store that claims to deal with trendy outfits for girls. Company shows to provide unique designs of t-shirts, tops, shirts, short dresses and much more for girls. Like, not only outfits, but the site deals with cool design of footwear, swims also wear to an affordable price. Like, all sections are separately prepared to simplify the choice and make shopping easy for you. But before making any online shopping, you must check out the legitimacy of the store. So we are here to help you to discuss the detail of this store, that is handlestore.com. So it is https secure website, and they are selling girls outfits and footwear. It was registered on 4th Feb 2017 and it will expire on 4th Feb 2022, but they have not mentioned their contact details. The email address which they have mentioned is matching the domain name. As far as their official address is concerned, they have mentioned their official address on their web portal. Moreover, as far as their shipping time is concerned, like, they will ship between 1 to 2 business days, but they have not mentioned the exact delivery time. You can return the product within 30 days of your purchase, and the company chose to provide a refund within 5 to 7 working days of your claim. The positive point of Handless Store are: the site has a valid HTTPS connection. The site is working for the last 3 years. There are outstanding products available at an affordable price. Customer reviews are found. The website has social media account. The negative point of Handless Store are: it has an average trust score. No contact number is available on the site. So is Handless Store legit? For this we are checking out the parameters to discuss its legitimacy. As we have discussed, it was created on 4th Feb 2017. It is old and trustworthy site, and its trust index score is 45%. Like, it is difficult to trust the site, and the site holds a trust rank of 58.8 out of 100. The site has a valid HTTPS connection but does not count under the deny listed website. The content the website having is original is the best way to find out the legitimacy for this store. We have found the 100% original content. Moreover, the website shared the contact information such as mail address and physical address, but unfortunately we could not find contact details. So we conclude that this seems to be a legit store, but there are few drawbacks, like the original content, the domain age, and positive reviews make the legitimacy pointer stronger with valid proof. So we recommend you all, if you are interested to make shopping from this store, you must do your own research on your behalf, and by then you can easily decide either to shop from this store or not.